In this video, you'll learn how to connect Zoho CRM to WordPress using Zapier. By following these steps, you will be able to automate the transfer of data between these two platforms, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Start by navigating to the Zapier homepage, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface with options to create new automations. If you are not logged in, you may be prompted to enter your credentials. Enter your email and password, then click Login to access your dashboard. After logging in, locate and click on the Create button on the dashboard. This button is usually positioned prominently near the top left corner of the screen. Once you click it, a new screen will appear, offering you options to create a new Zap, which is Zapier's. Next, click on the Zaps option in the left sidebar. This will take you to a page listing Zaps. Here you can manage, edit, or create new automations. Click on the Create Zap button to begin the process of connecting Zoho CRM to WordPress. In the search bar that appears, type Zoho to WordPress. This will filter the available integrations. Once you see the relevant option, click on it to proceed to the next step of setting up your automation. Once you have selected the option, click on Start Building. This action will redirect you to the setup page where you can configure the details of your Zap. This might take a moment as the page loads, so please be patient while the system prepares your setup. Now you need to select Zoho CRM as your trigger application. Click on the appropriate option when it appears on your screen. After selecting Zoho CRM, you will be asked to choose a trigger event. Click on Trigger Event to reveal a list of available triggers in the list. Click on New Lead. This option will allow you to create an automation that triggers every time a new lead is added in Zoho CRM. Once you select it, ensure that you confirm your choice before proceeding to the next step. You will need to repeat the previous action of selecting New Lead once more to finalize your trigger setup. After this, click on WordPress to set it up as your action application. This will enable the automation to communicate with your WordPress site. Next, click on Action Event to choose what action you want to take place in WordPress. You will see a list of actions. Select Create Post as the action you want to perform when a new lead is triggered in Zoho CRM. Once you select Create Post, click on Create Post again to confirm your action. This ensures that the automation is configured correctly to create a new post on your WordPress site whenever a new lead is captured in Zoho CRM. Now click on Account to connect your WordPress account to Zapier. This will prompt you to enter your WordPress site credentials. After entering the necessary information, click on Connect WordPress. This step is crucial for allowing Zapier to interact with your WordPress site effectively. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your WordPress account is now linked to Zapier. You can now proceed to test your Zap to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Testing is an important step to verify that data flows correctly from Zoho CRM to your WordPress site. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.